They're all following me. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, they were following me until they saw Mommy. Come on, guys. Diva, they're following you. They want some milk. No milk for you. Come on, guys. Come on. Oops, sorry, I almost stepped on you. Yep, there we go again. We're going to start chasing Uncle Gunny. You gonna start chasing Uncle Gunny, guys? There we go. They're not quite sure of him yet. Greeny's not too afraid of him. Or that's Purple, of course, Purple. You're not afraid of him. Maybe a little bit. Wow. Well, on second thought, he's pretty loud. The funny thing is, he actually likes them. He's the one that comes up to them. Don't ya? Yes, I'm videotaping you now, Gunner, because you're the amusement. You're the amusement. Here they come. Here they come, Gunny. Come on, puppies. Are you my Uncle Gunny? It's okay. It's okay, Greenie. Yeah, Diva, you make sure your puppy's fine. He's fine. Uncle Gunny didn't hurt him. You tell Gunner. Say, you're a goofball. Here's little Brownie. Yes, Brownie likes to just sit. What are you doing, buddy? What are you doing? Over here all by yourself. Let me guess. Yep, Whitey. Yes, Whitey. You're a yipper. I think we're going to be doing the wing test soon. Yes.